Good evening, everyone. My name is Chwayita Deliwe. I'm from a company called CN Outsource Finance. I am a director and a co-owner. I'm here with my business partner. Our company, we do business advisories. We are auditors, we also accountants. We have been in the industry working for about 18 years each. I've got an MBA and she's a CA. And our target market is small businesses and government agencies. And the vision that we have really is to help the small businesses comply, because we find that they do not comply, and also to be able to measure what you're actually making in your business. It's not also only about complying, it's also about measuring what you are actually and managing what you actually your revenue is. Our detailed services, they include financial management, accounting, and bookkeeping, and payroll. So you can actually outsource it to us, the entire system. And we do tax for individuals and companies. We do tax registration, the BE certificates, business plans, the IPC, and we do mergers and acquisitions. On the business acquisition, we do the due diligence. We also do the post-merger integration. We also do business advisory and audit. With the audit, we have partnered with 2 audit firms that would actually outsource it to us if they actually need help. And also, we have partnered with our business partners as of today. So if anyone is looking for a loan, they actually have partnered with us where we actually refer people to them. Our marketing strategy, we are on Find an Accountant. We're also on Pastel Accounting. We also have a website which is called www.cnfinance.co.za. And we have been in operation for 2 years. We also are on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and we also on Who is Who. So what we like to offer to you is that if you are not compliant or you need people to help you manage your business, we are here to help you with that. Thank you.